Arora and I am from class 12th A. I am 17 years old and I am from Kamal Model Senior Secondary School. I am with my mother and she is the guide for today's recipe. We are making very famous Punjabi sweet dish, that is yellow rice. Today I am making Punjabi sweet dish and I am making yellow rice, and for that I have soaked 3/4 cup of rice in the bowl and 3/4 cup of water, and now I am going to put these rice in cooker. So I have put rice in the cooker and now we will wait for 1 minute. As it is a sweet dish and so we will make sugar syrup. We will make the same amount of sugar as we have taken in rice, that is 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water. Now I have taken 3/4 same amount here, and now put it on the gas. I will put it on the gas. Take 1 pinch of red. Food color. Now I am adding food color, a pinch of food color. Gas should be slow. Now I will off this rice gas. Wait for some boil. Now wait for some boil.
Stir.
Take 2 cardamom, black cardamom, green cardamom. Take 2 green cardamoms. I have taken 2 cardamoms. Crush it. Crush it. So this is my dry fruit plate. I have taken cashews and almonds. Now I am cutting them. These are raisins, dry coconut, chwaras and makhanas.
Go.
Now our rice are half cooked. Put the sugar syrup. Now putting the sugar syrup into the rice. Put it all. एक ही जगह रख दो. All the dry fruits. All the dry fruits. Slowly. Stop. Let me check. Now put it on the gas. Put it on the gas. कुकर बंद नहीं हुआ. आराम से मुझे लग रहा भाप लगी. Wait for 1 whistle. Wait for 1 whistle and our sweet dish will be ready. बस चावल तो मैं भल्ले वाली सारी. See, my daughter has made first time sweet dish of Punjab, which was made
every year, every festival in our house. So please, Kanaji, bless Urvashi for making first time sweet dish for you. Bless her, bless her, bless her.
I would like to thank my teachers and common model staff for giving me this opportunity, and I hope you like my dish and recipe. Thank you.
Thank you.